I'm gonna make this pencil disappear.
If you ever get something impaled in your eye, it's a serious emergency. But knowing what to do in those crucial moments can make a huge difference. First things first, don't panic. I know, easier said than done, but staying calm helps prevent further injury. No matter what, do not try and pull it out. Removing it could make the injury worse, cause more bleeding, or even lead to permanent blindness. Try to keep both eyes still. Sounds weird, right? But your eyes move together. So if your good eye moves, the injured one moves too, which can make things worse. To help with this, lightly cover the injured eye. If you can, close your uninjured eye as well. Now, you want to keep the object from moving. A simple trick, use a paper cup. Place it over the injured eye and tape or bandage it in place. If you don't have a cup, use a clean dressing. Just make sure it doesn't put pressure against the object. This is a medical emergency. Call emergency services right away or ask someone to call for you. If you're alone, try to stay as still as possible while waiting for help. Keeping calm helps slow your heart rate, which can reduce bleeding, and if possible, sit upright and avoid bending over or laying flat. An impaled object in the eye is serious, but staying calm and following these steps can prevent further damage while you wait for help. Do you know what to do in any emergency? If not, follow for more life-saving first aid tips.